Hello, Avishya fans and handloom lovers. Today, I'm very happy to meet you in another episode of Avishya Handloom Saree Stories. In today's episode, we're going to be looking at a lovely collection of sarees. This is a collection of soft silk sarees, but it's very special because it's traditional designs. Usually, soft silks come in a lot of fancy designs, but this collection we put together as a very special collection for those of you who love traditional designs in Kanjivaram but want to see it in a nice, lighter, and easier format like soft silk. That's this collection for you. So let's start with this first saree. Beautiful. Lovely purple. The body is purple, and let me open out the whole saree. Lovely. It's a gorgeous combination. And all over the body, if you see, you have beautiful saree work, very, very grand saree checks. And in between the saree checks, you have this lovely, beautiful, very cute floral motifs. Leaves on both sides, a little floret. It's very, very nice. And of course, the borders are also very pretty. Very, very traditional borders. If you can see, it's a series of peacocks all along. Beautiful, lovely peacock motifs all along. And it's combined with a little bit of paisleys as well. The peacock and the paisley come together, and towards the edge of the border you see two rows of rudraksha motifs, and in the end you have some chevron motifs and a very, very thick band of saree. Overall, it's a very nice, very traditional border, and the same border is replicated on that side as well. So let's take a look at the pallu now. Pallu is a very, very, very nice traditional pallu. Very thick band of saree. It's a very nice self diamond motifs. If you come closer, you'll notice that it's actually diamond shaped. The motifs are lovely diamond shaped motifs. It's very soft, very subtle, but it's coming through nicely. It's glimmering and glistening, and on both sides, the same pattern just coming in the border, which is these peacock motifs and paisley motifs running all along with the rudraksha. That's what comes here. And if you see what the blouse looks like, it's a nice, lovely shade of emerald green. Beautiful shade of green. It's a lovely shade of deep emerald green. Very, very nice. And it contrasts very nicely with the body and the pallu of the saree. Lovely saree. Next, we'll take a look at this very, very nice, lovely burnt orange color. I'll just open it out for you. It's fabulous. It's a very nice, very attractive, fabulous traditional checks on the body. You have this rich burnt orange color. On that, you have lovely checks. On one side, you have nice olive green running. On the other side, you have a nice mustard yellow checks. So both together combined to form these wonderful checks. This is a very nice, a very special saree. This is a one-side border saree, if you can see. On the top, you have a very, very thin selvage in olive green. So that's the top. And the bottom, you have a lovely, nice, thick olive green border on which you have these beautiful floral motifs. What in Tamil it's called is Orabutta. It is running throughout. It's running in self on saree on the olive green. So olive green and the buttas look very, very nice. If you see the pallu itself, the pallu is very traditional again. Lovely stack of diamond motifs in the center. Very stylishly done diamond motifs. And then you have these beautiful, lovely floral motifs on both sides. And then again, you're coming into a nice little variation of a floral motifs like a column on this side. The same thing is repeated on the other side, the column motif and the floral motifs. And right in the very edge, once again, the floral motifs are repeated. Of course, the artisan has done lovely tassels in the edge. And the olive green and the burnt orange is a beautiful combination. So let's see what the blouse. Wow, it's a beautiful combination. Look at this combination. It's fabulous. The way the blouse and the saree and the pallu go together. You can see this whole thing here. You can visualize the saree. It's really, really beautiful. It's a very grand, majestic color. Next, we'll move on to this very, very special color combination. Very interesting. Very nice. Very interesting shade of green. It's kind of teal green, but it's also got a shade of aqua. So I would say it's aqua teal green, if I can say so. It's really nice. It's a fabulous color, and both the borders have got nice thick band of saree. Gorgeous, very grand band of gold saree, and the selvage, of course, in this is beautiful dusky pink. All over the body, the aqua teal blue has got these almost this tree of life kind of motifs. Inside there are floral motifs. Both sides there are leaves, branches of leaves. It all comes together in a circular form with a bottom right here. So it's a nice motif which is repeated all over the body, if you see. And then let's see what the pallu looks like. Lovely. It's a beautiful shade of It's a peachish orange is what I would say. It's very, very nice and it contrasts nicely. Very starkly it contrasts with this aqua teal blue. It's very nice. And if you come closer, you can see the lovely, what is called the traditional Katambutta motifs here. You will see alternating peacock motifs and very nicely stacked diagonal stripes. So diagonal stripe block and the peacock motifs is alternating with each other. It's beautifully done throughout the pallu. And of course, in the edge, you have this nice line of alternating fascinating paisley and veil motifs. Lovely line of these paisley and veil motifs which are running. The veil in Tamil is called spear. So the spear motif and the paisley motif is running beautifully, nicely. And overall, the contrast between the aqua blue and the peachish orange is very nice. So let us see how the blouse works out. Wow, very pretty, very pretty. And you can see how it contrasts with the aqua teal blue, peachish orange, pallu with grand zari. This saree is quite a stunner. Let's move on to the next one. Before that, I'm sure you enjoyed this saree. It's a gorgeous collection. I'm sure you're enjoying this. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Also do subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon, right? Next, we move on to this beautiful, very, very sophisticated shade of purple, which is combined along with gray. It's awesome the way these colors are combined. I'll open out the saree for you. It's really, really pretty. Lovely. Very specially woven. If you see, there are a lot of vertical stripes. There are vertical floral booties. There are vertical stripes here. There's a row of coins here. Beautiful coins. And here is beautiful diamond-shaped booties here. And then, of course, after the floral booties here you have one more row of beautiful silver and gold booties running down vertically. And this is a beautiful, it's a peacock which is posing in a very nice way with his feathers furled on each other, beautifully furled. The peacocks are there. It's very nice. Then again, there's one more row of coins. So this thing is happening throughout the saree on this gunmetal gray. This gold and silver zari is happening all over the body. It's fabulous. And if you also notice, between these zaris, you see the weave here. There's a dash of black which comes into the weave between the gunmetal gray. It's a very, very special kind of weaving. And of course, there's a very, very grand pallu, it's worth seeing this separately. It's fabulous. On this lavender purple, you have this lovely row of peacocks. It's the same posture which you've seen in the body on silver and gold. Same silver and gold here, but in larger size. In 2 rows, it's been woven, beautifully woven on the pallu. 2 rows of these silver and gold peacocks. And then in the end, you have these lovely rows of diamond motifs, chevron motifs, these coin motifs, one more row of chevron motifs and a chain motif. It's very, very pretty. Very, very elegant. Let's look at the blouse. Wow, look at this purple. Isn't it fabulous? And the way it combines with this gunmetal gray, isn't it stunning? It's really, really nice. It's a very elegant, very sophisticated and grand saree. Now, let's move on to the next one. This is a nice, bright, cheerful color combination. It's a nice, very, very, popping, almost a Fanta orange with a shade of red. It's very, very nice. It's red, of course, but it's a very orangish red. It's very, very nice. This saree has got booties, small silver and gold booties all over the body. And in the edge of the body, you have these tall little, lovely floral motifs, a bunch of flowers, which is there periodically, which is coming once in 3-4 rows. This row of flowers is coming. And of course, the border is a lovely mango yellow. And in the mango yellow, you can see that there's the same bouquet of bunch of flowers is also there on this. So, and of course, the color is a very, very popping, orangish red. Very, very nice red. The contrast is a very, very rich and very stunning, I would say, goldish yellow and with a orange border on that side. On the other side, mustard orange. So the combination of colors is really stunning. There is this orangish red, and the border is a very, very, mango yellow. Then you have this beautiful pallu with chevron motifs all over in silver zari. It's fabulous. And then in the end, you have these lovely diamond motifs, chevron motifs, and edging. In the very end, you have these beautiful tassels. So it's a very, very stunning saree. Let's see what the blouse looks like. Wow, nice, fabulous. It's a beautiful mustard yellow and orange combination, and then that with this fabulous, this really, really popping orangish red. And overall, it's a very colorful, very striking saree. If you really want to stand out and you want to be you're in a cheerful mood, you want to wear something which is popping, which reflects your mood, this is the saree for you. Now, to round off this collection, we come to this particular saree. It's a fabulous, very, very nice copper red saree. It's a tone of copper. So let's see how this looks. I'll open it out for you. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous color. I would say a very powerful color. It's very strong. It's not loud. It's not a loud color, but it's very strong. And it's the way it combines with the lilac, with the purple, with the lavender purple, and the pallu is very striking. All over the body, of course, it's got this large bunch of flowers. floral motifs. And the way they've done this is that this bunch of flowers has got golden flowers with a central stem in silver, and the alternating bunch has got silver flowers with the central stem in gold. So it's done very, very artistically. All over the body, this pattern continues. Of course, in the borders, in the lovely lavender purple border, you have the same thing repeated again, the same bunch of flowers. Periodically, it's repeated here. And then, of course, you come to the pallu. The pallu has a very rich, it's a large, it's completely floral. It's stacked floral, completely stacked floral. Large bunch, bouquets of flowers, strong floral motifs in zari all over the center panel. It's very, very nice. And on both sides, you have these beautiful paisley motifs running in alternate vines like this. Keeps twisting and turning, zigzag. One paisley this side, one paisley that side. That's the way these motifs run on this side. Here again on the other side as well. And the paisleys are both sides encased by fabulous 2 rows of motifs, thin zigzag motif. And then, of course, there is a chevron motif. So the zigzag and the chevron, both sides are there, and on that side as well. Both sides, the same thing is interesting. So it's very, very nice. Overall, very stylishly designed pallu. Let's see what the blouse looks like. Wow, nice. Beautiful shade of purple. Very rich, very deep, and with a touch of lavender. It's very nice, and it combines beautifully with this lovely shade of copper maroon red. It's fabulous. Goes beautifully with this lavender purple, and of course with the pallu. And overall, this is a very, very gorgeous and majestic saree. So we come to the end of this particular collection of traditional soft silk sarees. I really hope you enjoyed this video and enjoyed these sarees as much as I enjoyed showing them to you. If you like these sarees and if you feel that you've got to touch, feel, drape them and take a closer look, which I think you should, I'm sure you'll enjoy it. Please come out to the Avishya store. We're open at 281 TTK Road, Alwarpet. We will be very happy to show you the entire collection of traditional soft silk Kanjivaram sarees in these beautiful color combinations that you just saw. And of course, we have lovely trial rooms, so you can actually check it out. Large trial rooms where you can check it out. You can drape the saree yourself, see what color works for you, and then make your choice. For those of you who are not in Chennai, no problem at all. Log into avishya.com. The entire collection of traditional soft silk Kanjivarams are available there. You just log in at any time of the day at your convenience. Log in, browse, pick up your colors that you like. We have a very friendly online service team which is there, which will be happy to assist you and help you choose the right colors that will work for you. And also they'll let you know exactly how to complete the process of buying, place the order, and get it delivered right at your doorstep. And of course, we deliver all over India and to 40 countries across the world. So no problems at all to access whichever product that you want from Avishya. And one more thing, this month we have a fabulous offer going on for our anniversary. The Avishya anniversary is in the month of February. It's our 9th anniversary, and for the anniversary, we have very, very special offers going. We have for sarees, we have a 5, 10, 15, up to 15% offer going on sarees. For ready-mades, we have a fantastic offer. If you buy 3, you get the 4th one free. That's the offer which is going. So please do check it out. And if you really like the video, it'll be very nice if you could hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that you are notified about every single video that we upload. We don't want you to miss any of our videos. I'm sure you don't want to miss it either. So please do click on the bell icon so that you get notified. And of course, it'll be lovely if you could share these videos with your friends, with your neighbors, with your office colleagues, and anyone who enjoys beautiful silk sarees and especially soft silk kanjivarams, anyone you think will love them. Please do share these videos. Thank you so much for watching. For another bit of news for you, that we've also launched our app. So those of you who want to get a constant notifications on our uploads, please download the Avishya app. It's available on the Play Store and the Apple Store. Please download the app and you can be sure that all our updates come to you. Thank you.